Hey, sorry about that. I wanted the hardest tag a screwdriver, so put the tool in. Put the tool in. Sorry, in right here. Soon we have go vacuuming up. Let's wrap up the cord. It looks pretty long, so we do machine. Cord butt looks pretty good. Okay, let's try to do this of a new vacuum. Move here. So I'll move the bin. Take a look at the filters. This is filter. This is filters are washable. Rinse it out. Take it out of the sink. Wash it in clean water. Get it out, try it for 24 hours, and put it back. The hangers. Now to put the filter back. Here to the quick. Nice new vacuum over here. Right here. Yeah, right here. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. New vacuum. Dust cup. Supplies. Ooh. Alright, just a second. Okay, boy, think. Okay, new vacuum is nice. Your menu and the crevice tool over here. Okay, crevice tool, side poster tool, and a dusting brush goes right here. So let's go cleaning out the boiler. Perfect boiler's new vacuum. Put crevice tool right here. And pull crevice tool right here. So yeah, perfect. So we do clean this vacuum up after pick up more dirt up. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Our first test video for this start over. About this. Look, I did wrap up the cord a little bit and unwrap the cord if we get start cleaning. So that's it. This is a new vacuum. So put the foot right here. Nice, this new vacuum. There's a new vacuum. Okay. Nice. So how do you sit? I did put wrap. Hold on, wrap. I did wrap the cord to fix it pretty well. Vacuum's good. So try to unwrap the cord and start plugging it or start cleaning. So please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned more videos.